So here I'm discuss very important topic. That option is called how your website will be not secure to secure option. Not secure to secure option. In this purpose, the use file name is called .xxs file. Except GoDaddy server users, you can using this file. This will be not working for GoDaddy hosting users. So my website will be right now not secure. Go to login cPanel, click for file manager. Any server we have access from this option security. This option will be there. The hosting holder, the code will be eligible. Security, this option. Let's encrypt SSL. So in this, go for file manager. In this file manager, the option name is called public underscore HTML. Public underscore HTML. In this, we are selecting for .xxs file. Click for edit. Here we can writing for one code will be there. The code we can writing for space. This code will be there. Your YouTube description part. Always use the code and rectify your website will be not secure to secure option. Save changes. Now you can refresh. So my website will be totally secure option. Previous is a not secure. Now my website will be totally secure. Connection is the total secure option. This is compulsory follow the particular website not secure to secure option.